Welcome back to Reset, Relearn, Reprogram. This week's topic, critical thinking. Automotive repair is a complex field that demands a combination of technical expertise and critical thinking skills. As an automotive technician, you are faced with various challenges on a daily basis, from diagnosing complex issues to making crucial repair decisions. In such situations, the ability to think critically becomes paramount. In today's video, we will explore the significance of critical thinking in automotive repair and discuss strategies to help you make sound decisions. Understanding critical thinking in automotive repair. Critical thinking involves analyzing a problem or situation objectively, considering all relevant information, and making logical and informed decisions. In the context of automotive repair, it means approaching each repair job with a systematic and analytical mindset. It goes beyond following standard procedures and requires you to actively engage your problem-solving skills. Gather and analyze information. Before diving into repairs, take the time to gather all available information. Listen carefully to the customer's description of the problem and ask probing questions to gain a comprehensive understanding. Thoroughly inspect the vehicle using diagnostic tools and techniques to identify potential issues. Gather service bulletins, technical manuals, and relevant documentation to supplement your analysis. Identify the root cause. A crucial step in critical thinking is identifying the root cause of the problem. Avoid jumping to conclusions or making assumptions based on initial observations. Instead, take a systematic approach to eliminate possible causes one by one. Use your knowledge, experience, and available resources to narrow down the problem until you reach the underlying issue. Evaluate options. Once the root cause is identified, it's time to evaluate your repair options. Consider the available solutions and their potential impact on the vehicle's overall performance, safety, and longevity. Assess the feasibility of each option and determine the most efficient and effective course of action. Seek input from colleagues or mentors if needed, as collaboration can enhance your critical thinking process. Assess risks and benefits. Every repair decision carries inherent risks and benefits. Evaluate the potential consequences of your chosen course of action. Consider factors such as cost, time, and customer expectations. Assess the long-term impact on the vehicle and whether it aligns with the customer's needs. Balancing these factors will help you make a well-informed decision that prioritizes both technical excellence and customer satisfaction. Continual learning and adaptation. The automotive industry is constantly evolving, with new technologies and diagnostic methods emerging regularly. To stay ahead, you must commit to continual learning and adaptation. Keep up with the latest advancement, attend training sessions, and engage in professional development opportunities. Expanding your knowledge base will enhance your critical thinking abilities and equip you to make sound decisions in the face of new challenges. Critical thinking is an essential skill for automotive technicians seeking to excel in their profession. By adopting a systematic and analytical approach, gathering and analyzing information, identifying root causes, evaluating options, and assessing risks and benefits, you can make well-founded decisions in automotive repair. Remember, critical thinking is a skill that can be honed and refined with practice and continuous learning. By integrating critical thinking into your daily work, you will become a more effective and respected automotive technician. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other platforms for valuable content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.